How to find Facebook drafts. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to find Facebook drafts. So let's begin. Before we start, what is Facebook? Facebook is a social media platform in which you can post messages or status as well as pictures and videos. And then now, make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open your Facebook app and then make sure that you have a draft. So for example, I'll just create a draft first. So I'll just type in hello, click on the X button right here, and click on Save Draft. So unlike Twitter, in which you can find all of your drafts in just one section. So for example, you click a specific um, option and then you may see all of the drafts. Facebook doesn't have that option. So basically, you may only have a single draft on Facebook. So for example, that you have now a draft, what you're going to do is to simply go back to what's on your mind right here. So once you click on what's on your mind, and as you can see, the draft will automatically appear. So now you may edit the draft. You may also add image. You may also choose the background, and then you may share it on Instagram or change your privacy as well. Click on post on the upper right corner once you are done, and then that's it. That's how you can find Facebook drafts. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.